Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I have something to tell you.
Okay.
I got a call from the lady that we got the apartment.
Which one?
What do you mean which one? We only applied to one.
Okay.
As we speak, I am checking in for our flight. We're flying JetBlue, that's the only way to fly. I'm giving off very much like actor vibes in this like all black fit. But I thought I would just start filming because I've been meaning to film and I just have not been doing it. So here's the first clip of many. I am moving in less than 24 hours. It's later, I just spent time with family, watching How I Met Your Mother. Again, still the night before I move. Packing up the final details of the suitcase. As you can see, still in chaos and still looks like I have a lot of things everywhere. I do. There's just only so much that I can pack in the suitcases and the rest I'm just gonna have to get at a later date. I already know the next time I'm coming home, so I'm just gonna come back with empty suitcases and bring more. But I'm doing what I can with what I've got right now. So stuff to the brim, working on getting stuff to the brim, and then I have one in the hallway, stuff to the brim. So it's a work in progress and I'm really just like trying to kind of now clean up at this stage because there's just so much everywhere. Oh gosh, one thing they don't tell about moving across the country is how much stuff you have to give up, and mentally it is really hard because you get emotional attachments to things. So if you have any inkling of ever wanting to move across the country, don't accumulate stuff. We're at the airport, luggage packed, Bari's overweight. It happens to the best of us. Got a cart full of stuff. I'm exhausted and I'm on the verge of a breakdown, but we got a cart full of stuff. So we don't have this in Jersey. It just brings the cart down for you. There's Bari. We just got back from our first ever Target trip, shopping, apartment hunting together. It doesn't look like a lot, but when you have to carry it and there's not a car and there's not a cart, it's a lot. So we're gonna do a quick haul and then go to bed. LaCroix Essential Angel Soft toilet paper. Such an adult haul. Bread. Welch's Fruit Snacks. Fruity Pebbles. Doritos that definitely got a little crushed. Cedrin, Pepto-Bismol. We're just crazy people. Utensil tray. Oh my god, I didn't realize how big these Bounty rolls were.
Yeah, they're like times 2.
2 paper towel rolls, but they're huge. Tissues, and I'm not organizing any of this stuff now. It can get organized later. Dish towels, 2 loofahs for me and Bari, trash bags, Silk almond milk, as you can see we just tossed everything in, paper plates, paper bowls, and paper utensils somewhere. Ew! Dish soap that opened up and started leaking.
How bad?
Just a little. Peanut butter and jelly. Glade for the stinky messes in the bathroom. Scrub mommy, not scrub daddy, because women supporting women. Clorox bathroom cleaner. Lysol bathroom cleaner. Hand soap. This really cute bath rug that Bari pointed out. That's right guys, Bari has taste. Dryer sheets. Body wash. Dishwasher capsules. We have a dishwasher, that's pretty cool. The sponge holder, face wash for Bari because he had to throw it out at the airport. Martinelli's apple juice. Laundry detergent. Guys, Malt brand is just as good. Lotion for Bari, again. Fabric softener. Ah, here it is. Forks, spoons, and knives. And the last thing we bought, oh no, not the last thing, last 3 things. Mattress topper and 2 pillows because our air mattress did not arrive today. So that's the haul. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You gotta make work what you got for the ankles. I was gonna like roll all over again. It's for one night and one night only. First time pumping gas and with the U-Haul.
So I think we could just lift the handle.
There's instructions.
Look, lift handle to stay inside. I know how to pump gas. But
Okay.
I'm figuring out how to attend with the money.
Okay.
So I'm trying
Okay. Okay. Regular.
So I'm guessing I'm gonna lift this.
You're supposed to open that before. You said you've done this before. You shouldn't point that at me. It's a weapon. I do not know what we're doing.
No.
Where are you going?
Cut the cameras.
We are taking down the winding hills of the Hollywood Hills.
Oh, Lord.
This is like GTA. We're on our way to IKEA and the route it took us, we just keep going.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're going to IKEA. But, oh, here we go, another one. Oh! Look at the view though.
Dang.
We in this.
Nice.
We in this. The camera is not picking up anything good. We made it to IKEA. Oh, our baby. I guess this is like a... I would like to point out when we walked in there was a sign and we pointed it out that said no dog. What did we just see walk by? Dog.
Big ass motherfucker.
Very big. What do you think?
Better than the last.
Yeah, I should have got the last one.
Bounce to it.
Ooh, this one you sink a little.
Yeah.
Last couch we sat on,
Booty went up and down.
this one's not too bad. I like having a couch that has something like this. You could just kick your feet up and relax. But then we're out of here. What? It's self-serve. Like a buffet. We got a few things, nothing too exciting. IKEA shopping in the middle of the night. Middle of the night. It's like 8 p.m. but it feels very late. IKEA shopping is very tiring. Let's get out of here. We got the desk. Desk vibes. Where are you? IKEA. Somehow you still keep me up.